Welcome to HTML Speedrun episode 2. Thank you for your overwhelming response in the last video. By the end of this video, we are going to learn about tags and attributes, various tags, and different fonts and arrangement to enhance your text with. What are tags? Tags are the basic elements which make up the web page, whereas attributes are the adjectives which describe the tag. Here, the body is the tag, whereas the background color equals to orange is an attribute. Here we can see in the extended version, entirety of the unit is known as an HTML element. Head 1 is the starting tag and slash head 1 is the ending tag. The class equals to primary itself is an attribute which has the class name and the attribute value. The class is the name and the value is primary, which is assigned to the class. And this is all contained in the name tag between the two brackets. So let us learn about the tags in detail. There are a lot of tags we have to study. Few of the basic used for creating a web page are horizontal line, break line, header, paragraph, center, and font. H1 or header tags. It are used to add headings to the web page. H1, H2 to H6 are the different sizes of header tag you can avail to. The following is the paragraph tag. Paragraph tags are used to mark different paragraphs. It has pre-adjusted settings regarding the space between words, the space between lines, and the spaces between different paragraphs. The center has one objective, it's to move the object to the center of the web page, and break line and horizontal line are single tags. What are single tags? Single tags are the tags which do not need an ending tag. You are going to see later during the example, we only add open bracket HR close bracket. We don't end the break line. So the break line is used as an enter key in the keyboard. Break line breaks the line into two different lines. HR is an horizontal line. It is used to add a horizontal line in a web page, and font is used to modify the text to increase its visibility and appearance and to make it more appealing to look at. It comes under bold, italic, underline, superscript, and subscript. Let us see the practical use of all those tags. Here we are in a blank worksheet. Beside this, you can see the example. This is a blank notepad page. I have created this already. Now to work on this, let us add HTML, and once we open the tag, we end it with slash HTML. We open and close the head tag. One point to note that HTML is not at all case sensitive. It means any of the capitalization will work. Then we start and end the body tag as well. Now we add the title. Now under title, let us name it tags. Now we save here and click on refresh. Refresh key is Ctrl plus R. You can see the head has become tag. Now let us start working on the body. First tag is header tag. Let us add the header tags following with H1 and also end it with H1 with a backward slash. Let us type the heading Welcome to HTML. Now save it. Hit Ctrl+S and refresh it. Welcome to HTML. You can see the output side by side with the text. Now we add the different header tags, namely header 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let us save this and refresh it again. You can see header 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the header tags. Following the header tags, we are going to learn about paragraph tag. So to add the paragraph tag, open with P and close with /P. Now you can add whatever you want. You can see I have added a paragraph here. Now let us save it and refresh it. You can see a paragraph is added. But it is word to word, end to end. Now, if you want to make it into two paragraphs, just go here, give this. We are ending the first paragraph here and starting the second paragraph, ending it here. Now let us save this and refresh it. You can see two paragraphs have been formed. With header and paragraph tag over, we are going to learn about horizontal line and break line. For example, we type the words, I am the HTML speedrunner. Now, we want to add a enter space. I am the HTML speedrunner. Now let us save this and see if it works. See, it does not work. Even if we put how much gap in an HTML page, it will not work here. The reason being simple, it does not recognize the space. Now, instead, let us put break line. So here in the we put BR. We save it and see it. You can see both have gone on different lines. You can repeat the process how many times you want. For example, if I want a difference of more than 3 lines, let us put this and you can see the difference by yourself. This is the break line. Now let us move to something interesting. Horizontal line. HR. It is also a singular tag, which means it does not need an ending tag. Let's see if it works. You can see a horizontal line has appeared on the screen. Now there are various attributes you can use with HR. They are namely color, width and size. Now the attributes also need an attribute value, as you have seen. For example, color, we are going to take red. Width should be equal to 50% of the web page and size should be equal to 10 pixels. Now let us save this and see the resultant output. You can see a red line acquiring the 50% of the web page with size of 12 is on the screen. Now there are various types of fonts you can use. Now let us quickly go with it. This is for the bold. It makes the text appear thicker. This is for the italic. It makes the text appear slanted. Underline. It puts a little underline below your text. Small. It makes your text appear in a smaller size. Then lastly, we have superscript, superscripts and subscripts. Now let us see them in working. The superscript makes the text appear upwards, whereas the subscript makes the text appear downward. We have added bold, italic, underline, small, superscript and subscript. Now we are going to learn how to add the body color. Now in front of body write BG COLOR. Many people make mistakes of writing COLOUR. So remember COLOR and let us name the color light green. Now save it and see the web page. The page has turned in light green. And the final thing we are going to learn today is the center tag. Now we use a nested tag. We put 4 brackets in front. First we write h1. Following that we write /h1 to close the header bracket, and inside the header we write welcome to HTML. Now we want to move this to the center. We type center in the first bracket, and in the last bracket we close the center tag using /center. We also add horizontal line size 8 pixel, and then we write a paragraph in front of it. For example, I have typed a sample paragraph. HTML is hypertext markup language. See, we have typed the text hypertext markup language, and now let us check the output. You can see the output in front of us. We have HTML in the center, and then we have a paragraph of HTML is a markup language. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please check out our different videos too. We have just updated and completed our PowerPoint and Excel videos. Thank you so much. Bye.